What's up everybody, today in this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix audio not working problem on Facetime. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about few method. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. So without any further delay, let's get in the video. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. To do this, you press on the volume up button, then you quickly press on the volume down button. Then you press and hold on the side button. When the Apple logo appears, then you release the side button. Method 2. You make sure that the internet connection on your phone is good. Method 3. If you are using the Wi-Fi connection on your mobile device, then it may also possible that there is some networking issues with your router. So you restart your router. Method 4. Update your Facetime app. To do this, you go to App Store. Then you click on your profile in the upper right corner. When you click on your profile, then this page will come. Here you will find the list of apps which needs update. So you make sure that your Facetime app is updated. If your Facetime app not updated, then update Facetime app. Method 5. You make sure that the date and time on your phone is correct. To correct date and time automatically, you go to settings. Then from here, you click on general. Then here, you click on date and time. Now here you see the option set automatically. You make sure that this option is on. Method 6. You increase the volume on your phone. Method 7. Reset network settings. To do this, you go to settings. Then from here, you click on general. Then here, you click on reset. Now here you see the option reset network settings. You click on this and follow the procedure. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. Thank you.